Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shiba Inu News today. We have created a Telegram group to provide you with the latest updates on upcoming airdrops, pre-sales, and instant cryptocurrency news. Join our Telegram group using the link provided in the description section. Additionally, you can take advantage of the MEXC stock market link to engage in spot transactions, buying and selling cryptocurrencies with zero commission. Shiba Inu, the dog-inspired cryptocurrency that emerged as a prominent player in the meme coin space, is demonstrating robustness in the current market scenario. The reason behind its surprising strength lies in its recent stable price performance. Following the successful completion of an ascending triangle pattern, source trading view, the ascending triangle pattern is a bullish indicator, typically associated with the continuation of an uptrend. Shiba Inu's successful breakthrough of this pattern demonstrated its strong market momentum and set the stage for the stability that followed. Over the past several trading sessions, Shiba Inu has been trading at around $0.00000829. While these price levels may not seem significant at first glance, they represent an essential stability factor in a market known for its volatility. By maintaining a stable price performance amid fluctuating market conditions, Shiba Inu has proven itself to be a formidable player in the crypto space. Further evidence of Shiba Inu's strength is the consistent trading volume and its relative strength index, RSI, currently standing at 70. The steady volume indicates sustained interest from traders and investors, while the RSI level, although high, suggests there is still room for growth. Cardano adored, one of the leading cryptocurrencies on the market, has taken a substantial hit. In the last 24 hours, the digital asset has lost more than 7.4% of its value. This significant reduction wiped out most of the gains ADA had been making since July 25. Before this unexpected drawdown, Cardano was demonstrating promising signs of growth. Over a span of just a few days, ADA had gained 5% to its value. This positive trend had sparked optimism among investors and market participants, raising expectations of further gains. However, the sudden drop in Cardano's price, where it lost over 7% at its lowest point, caught the market by surprise. This unexpected fall raises questions about the potential end of the recent uptrend. While the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, such abrupt reversals in price trends can have significant implications. When a promising uptrend is abruptly broken, it not only affects investor sentiment but can also lead to cascading sell-offs, which could further push down the price. One question that remains is what might have triggered this sudden drawdown. While specific catalysts are yet to be identified, it is crucial to note that the cryptocurrency market is influenced by a range of factors, including macroeconomic events, investor sentiment, and specific news relating to individual cryptocurrencies. Ethereum faces challenges. Ethereum ETH, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is currently navigating a challenging market scenario. After a considerable bearish phase, Ethereum's price fell below the key support level of $1,850 and the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA. This bearish momentum suggests that the cryptocurrency might be heading toward a new support level. The 200-day EMA, a widely watched technical indicator, currently sits below the $1,800 price level. Ethereum's recent price movement indicates that it is aiming for this new support. If the cryptocurrency manages to breach this level, it could signify a continuation of the bearish trend. However, not all indicators point toward an unabated downward trend. While the current market picture for Ethereum might seem grim, a subtle positive hint comes from its trading volume. Ethereum's trading volume is on a downtrend, which, paradoxically, could signal a potential bullish price reversal. Decreasing volume during a bearish trend is often a sign that the selling pressure is losing momentum. If this trend continues, it could lay the foundation for a bullish reversal. However, this scenario could take weeks, if not months, to unfold. Shiba Inu Layer 2 Shibarium Beta has reached yet another milestone as Shiba Inu-led Satoshi Kusama makes a major announcement, ahead of its mainnet debut. Shibarium's testnet, PuppyNet, has hit 34 million total transactions, a remarkable milestone. According to PuppyScan, the total number of transactions on the Shibarium testnet has now reached 34,103,383, demonstrating that its utility is rapidly increasing. The overall number of blocks has also increased, now standing at 1,938,771. The number of wallet addresses has increased to 17,063,326, suggesting growth. Also, Shibarium Builder Unification has shared a new update. A noteworthy development in its recent report is the move of both O and VOR to the Sepolia testnet as Goerli approaches the end of its life this year. The announcement that concerns Shibarium is the deployment of UnoDE. As stated in the blog post, Unification makes the exciting announcement that Phase 1 of UnoDE development is progressing well. Ringo Shitoitsu, a Unification developer, highlights the significance of the announcement, saying that Shibarium relies on UnoDE. The Unification developer tweeted a line from the blog post, July Unification DEV update, new verbiage regarding UnoDE. Did we mention that it will be a fully decentralized, permissionless subscription service using UND for payments? Shibarium relies on UnoDE, Ringo Shitoitsu added. Unification teases something exciting. Unification also teases something exciting in the pipeline for its validators and partner networks, which include Shibarium. We're working on something that we believe to be quite exciting, particularly for our validators. We are in discussion with our partners, working out how we can potentially bring new benefits and rewards to joint validators of Unification and our partner networks, Unification stated, while noting that this is still in the very early research and development phase. Shibarium consists of validators, who are the key actors in maintaining the network, and delegators, referring to those who own Bone and choose to support the network. The official account of the Bad Idea AI project, BAD, has published a screenshot of a message published by Shytoshi Kusama as a response on social media recently. BAD is more than just a silly voice at ETH Toronto. In it, the lead developer of Shiba Inu mentioned BAD, stating that it has a more important role in the SHIB's next phase than just a silly voice. In a keynote ETH Toronto event, Bad Idea AI is one of the projects that have been announced by SHIB as a partner on their website recently, and it has been getting a lot of attention and promotion from Shiba Inu's marketing expert at Lucy SHIB on Twitter lately. On August 14th to 16th, Toronto hosts the annual Blockchain Futurist Conference, along with ETH Toronto and ETH Women events. SHIB will be one of the major sponsors of those, and the pseudonymous Shytoshi Kusama intends to deliver a speech there by means of AI. Elon Musk loves Canada. Shytoshi invites him to visit conference. Some in the SHIB community believe it may be done via Bad Idea AI somehow. In a recent tweet, Shytoshi sent an invitation to the Twitter X boss Elon Musk, who posted a photo of himself wearing a black t-shirt saying, "I love Canada." Kusama commented on that post, writing, "See you at the #Blockchain Futurist Conference." A lot of people in the comments were taken aback by the way the text on Musk's shirt looked, as it read something completely different from the innocent "I love Canada." Some pointed out that Elon was trolling everyone in a big way once again. At one point, the community believed that Elon Musk and Shytoshi could be the same person because of certain similarities in the symbols they used in their Twitter posts. What's this next phase of SHIB? During the conference, the SHIB team will introduce all the SHIB-related projects, including BAD, as expected, Metaverse, Shiba Eternity, etc., and will discuss in detail the upcoming launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. Shytoshi hinted that it may actually be launched at the conference. Shytoshi did not specify what the next phase of SHIB will include. However, the community expects hundreds of projects to launch on Shibarium, the SHIB metaverse to kick off, and the prices of SHIB and Bone tokens to soar to the moon. Bone is a gas token for Shibarium and a governance token on the ShibaSwap DEX. On July 31st, Kusama published a blog post, announcing that the SHIB team intends to mint the rest of the Bone supply and renounce the Bone contract to prevent further minting of Bone. There is no doubt that the Shiba Inu Shibast ecosystem is one of the most robust around today, with numerous metrics available to measure its relative growth trends. Data from crypto analytics platform Into the Block, ITB, shows that the meme coin is seeing bullish momentum in its large transactions, or transactions of about $100,000, jumping close to 10% over the past week. SHIB whales in action. Per the data gleaned from the page, SHIB whales have traded as much as $12.65 million in large transactions over the past week. A total of 45 transactions were recorded in the week-to-date, WTD, period. While the transaction volume in SHIB terms has deviated from its weekly high of 5.25 trillion SHIB, the milestones hit in the trailing 7-day period are evidence that interest in the protocol is being sustained. These whale transactions have helped negate other Shiba Inu on-chain metrics that are falling below the bar at this time. One of these is the overall profitability among SHIB token holders. The ITB data revealed that as high as 73.32% of SHIB holders are out of the money, or in loss, at this time. The obvious trade-off in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is that the protocol has not achieved utopia despite its best efforts to return value to its community members. SHIB's core milestone. After 3 years, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is celebrating its 3rd anniversary today as proponents recount the major successes and milestones that have been recorded since its inception. One of the frontline milestones is the launch of Shibarium, the meme coin's Ethereum-based Layer 2 protocol. After months of operating on the testnet, Shibarium is finally set to go live on the mainnet this month, a milestone that will be the first of its kind in the nascent world of meme coins. The Shibarium launch is being tipped as a gateway for Shiba Inu to reach its much-coveted promised land.